I know a lot of these survival type channels, they just do, we're in the woods doing shit. I'm not doing that. I'm just doing whatever I want to do. Anyway, bit of advice if you're trying to advertise a really excellent under surround blanket quilted cover for your hammock to keep you really warm in the freezingest of temperatures. How about you get your actress to not look like she's freezing her nipples off? Because they're trying to advertise this basically a giant sleeping bag to go around your hammock. It's not waterproof. It looks very, very porous and transparent. But they're trying to make it it's really warm and really snuggly, and I don't see any snow or rain, and yet she looks freezing. She snuggled down so far inside her jacket that she's got it basically covering half her face. And she's shivering. That is not a good advert for something that's meant to be keeping you warm and snuggly. So, you want to do it, get somebody to wear a swimsuit and perspire a little bit because she's so warm. Not freezing and shivering. It's basically just a giant sleeping bag going around a hammock. Here's a hint. You can buy sleeping bags, really cheap ones, that zip together to make a bigger sleeping bag. I know this because I got one, then bought another one, then bought a third one, and we had a massive sleeping bag. You do that, and you'll find that you can actually zip it up around your house. Wow, that's a good marketing idea. If you were to get 2 or 3 sleeping bags that can zip together, you could put it around the hammock. Oh, what? That's what they've done. And charging you a lot of money for.